Hey guys, this is Karthik Ramni here, co-founder of FlexiFunnels. Today we are so excited and happy to introduce coupons into FlexiFunnels. People love deals. We just saw a major shopping spree for Black Friday because there were a lot of amazing deals and people were offering coupons, right? Coupons are definitely a great way to increase sales. Coupons can drive customers to your businesses. It can boost existing customer engagement and also generate new revenue. In general, let's say coupons can drive more customers to your business, and it can introduce new customers to your store. Coupons can also help to introduce new product when you introduce a new product line, right? And it also encourages customer to try a new service or a new offer that you have. And coupons can also attract existing customers to come back to your store. So now that being said, let me show you how you can create coupons. All right, let's navigate to the product section. Here, just a second. Besides product, we have introduced something, a new tab called coupons. So I'm going to show you how you can create a coupon. All right. So you just have to hit on create new coupon. Okay. So that would be the first step. Create new coupon. All right. So to create a new coupon, you just come in here. I'm just going to say Karthik. The coupon name is Karthik. All right. Karthik demo. And the coupon code is Flexi20 off. Let's say I'm going to give a 20% off on FlexiFunnels. All right. So that would be the coupon I would create. And the coupon status is enabled or disabled. It's up to your choice. All right. You can always come back here and change stuff. And again, the next thing is, what is the discount that you're going to offer? Are you going to offer a fixed price discount, or are you going to offer a percentage? So what would happen is, fixed price, you can put in the value, right? Let's say you're going to offer a flat 1,000 rupees discount. That's when you would choose fixed price. All right. Let's say if you want to offer a percentage, here you given the percentage, 1%, 2%, 3%, 10%. So whatever is your the product price, 10% would be applied by default. We've made it even more easier and flexible. So here you can say the discount should come only on the main product, right? Or if the discount should apply to the bump as well. Let's say if you have an order bump, so this discount can apply for the main product as well as the order bump. All right. I'm just going to say 10% discount on the main product. The coupon status is enabled. The coupon code is Flexi20 off. All right. So I'm just going to hit on save. Once you hit on save, we come to the next step, which is the coupon settings. Right. Once you're in coupon settings, you have additional options like, when does this coupon start? Does it work right away? Or let's say you're running a campaign from next week. So you can, if you want to do that, you can choose a start date. But for now, I'm just going to say the coupon is going to start working immediately. So that's the start date. So till when you want this coupon to work, right? When you delete the coupon or disable the coupon, sure, you can do that. But for predetermined campaign, right? Let's say you're running a scarcity campaign, a Black Friday deal. So the coupon is gonna end at the end of Black Friday or your promotion period, right? So it's gonna be, this option is very helpful to make things automated so that you don't have to come back and keep changing things. So let's say for now, I'm gonna say when I disable it. And you also have an additional option. Like, this coupon is valid only for a set number of people. Like, this coupon is valid for 100 people or 1,000 people. All right. If there is a hard limit that you want to put, after 100 usages, this coupon is going to expire. I'm just going to hit on save. Now, the next step is, now we've created this coupon, right? The Karthik demo coupon. The next step is, you can choose to apply this coupon on all of the products or a specific product. So if you say a specific product, you can choose, for which products this coupon should be applicable. So it's not going to be applicable for all your products, all your offer. You have the flexibility to choose that with FlexiFunnels. So let's say I'm going to choose this product, right? So let's say if this product has multiple pricing, you can choose to apply to either individual pricing or all the pricing. Okay, I'm gonna say for now, for the purpose of demo, I'm gonna say this coupon is going to be applicable for all the products in my account. All right, I'm just gonna hit on save. Now that we've created a coupon, the next step is to bring this coupon section on the page, right? I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's go back here. I'm gonna leave this page. All right, so this can come on any page. So basically coupon comes on a checkout page, right? Let me edit this checkout page. Just a second. Let me edit this page. All right, so this is a default checkout page. In this, I'm going to add a new element. All right, go to components and here others, and here there is something called coupon code. I'm just going to add a coupon code here. All right, so the coupon code is here. I'm going to hit on save. Now let me publish this. It's going to publish this page in a minute. Just a second. So let me know if you use a lot of coupons and have you used it in the past, because we keep running offers and we use coupon almost on a day-to-day basis. All right. So let's say the price is 110, right? But I think the coupon that we've created, one second, it's gonna give you a 10% discount. So now I'm gonna come back here, copy this coupon code and put in the coupon code here. All right. So instead of 110 rupees, when I apply, now that you can see that the coupon Flexi 20 off is applied and you get the discount. The coupon is just 10%. All right. So you can see now you can complete the order for 100 rupees and you can see the discount of INR 10 is provided here. We show that as well, and we also show that the users that the coupon is applied. So this is an extensive coupon feature that we've done. Try using this feature and let me know what do you think of it. This is so easy. I would want you to use in your business, and that's it guys. Cheers. Karthik Ramani signing off here.